Hi everyone and welcome back to my beauty channel. Today I'm showing you how I create these winter snowflake nails using my favorite Manucurist Green Flash shades and how you can get 15% off at Manucurist US and UK automatically through my links below. Let's jump right in. To achieve that salon quality look, I'm using the Manucurist Green Flash range, which gives a glossy, long-lasting finish while still being gentle on the nails. For this design, I'm using these beautiful shades, ultramarine, creme and bubble, along with the base coat, top coat, LED lamp and a few nail art tools. I already prepped my nails off camera since today's focus is on drawing the snowflakes, but if you want to see more full prep routine, I have other tutorials on my channel. Now that my nails are clean and shaped, I'm applying the vitaminized base coat, the first step in a Green Flash manicure. I apply a thin layer and cure it for 2 minutes. For every step I do 4 fingers first and cure the thumb separately to make sure everything sets evenly. Next is color, and I absolutely love this royal blue ultramarine. Bold, chic, elegant and perfect for winter. I apply a thin even coat and cure it for 2 minutes. Then add a second layer for a richer finish. Make sure each layer cures fully for the best result. Now for the fun part, the snowflakes. I know they look complicated, but they are surprisingly easy. For 2 nails I'm using the shade creme, and for the other 3 bubble, a soft baby blue. On 2 nails I'm placing the snowflakes near the cuticle, and on the others closer to the tip for a beautiful balanced look. Using a dotting tool, I take a bit of creme and start with 1 dot in the center, 2 dots above, below, left and right, then diagonal dots. Next, with the Manucurist nail art brush, I connect all the dots to form the snowflake. I repeat the same steps using creme and bubble across all nails. After finishing the design, I cure again in the lamp. To seal everything, I use the Green Flash top coat. For that professional glossy finish, I cure for 2 minutes, then again for 2 minutes after doing the thumb, to ensure everything is completely set. When using a bold shade like ultramarine, it's easy to touch the edges. The Manucurist corrector pen is a lifesaver and cleans everything instantly. Finally, I apply cuticle oil and hand cream to keep my hands hydrated and my nails looking healthy. Here's the final result. Beautiful winter holiday nails that looks like a salon manicure done right at home. If you want to recreate this look or try more Manucurist products, you can get 15% off at Manucurist US and UK automatically when you're shopping through my links below. No code needed. Just add your favorites to the basket and the discount applies at checkout. Manucurist products also make amazing holiday gifts, especially the Green Flash starter kits, the Green System kits and the active range. I'll include all my top gift picks in the description for you as well. Thank you so much for watching and happy holidays!